BIS1 Mastercard Review, my honest user experience with the card. If you shop frequently at BIS Wholesale, the BIS1 Mastercard promises extra rewards and perks. I tested it, and here's my honest review. Most people assume store credit cards are limiting, but the surprising truth is this card offers cashback, bonus points, and special financing on BIS purchases. You can earn 1% cashback on gas, 1% on other purchases, and up to 3% back on BIS shopping. Applying was quick and straightforward. Once approved, the card integrates with BIS membership, allowing rewards to accumulate automatically. Digital tools track spending, points, and available offers. The downside? It's best suited for BIS shoppers, as rewards outside BIS are modest. BIS are higher than typical credit cards, so carrying a balance can be expensive. In conclusion, the BIS1 Mastercard is a solid choice if you frequently shop at BIS and want to maximize rewards. Its cashback and point system make shopping more rewarding, but it's less appealing if you rarely shop there. For regular BIS customers, it's definitely worth considering.